Hi everyone, Sinan from carinspected here. Quick video showing you what to look for when searching for a CHR Toyota. This is a 2019 model. First, it's very easy. Look at all the panels. They would have the VIN number written on them. There. And let me see, yep, you can find it here, etc. on all the panels. This drivetrain comes in a front-wheel drive and an all-wheel drive. This specific car, front-wheel drive. Do a computer scan. It's going through the computer scan right now. Check it with the onboard diagnostics if you don't have a detailed scan. This is a Toyota compatible software that's scanning. You can do just an onboard diagnostics. Interior, usually not a lot can go wrong here, but these are just quick hints. Of course, this is not exhaustive. Check the folding seats. Look here. Check if it has any deep scratches or if this is bent or damaged. Spare tire and a spare tire kit. Always check for that. If you see scratches here, then the tire's been used. Body, check for body alignment. Of course, tires, brakes, etc. That's all quick and easy. The higher the mileage, the more things that you'd need to check. If it gets close to about 150 to 200,000 kilometers, you want to check the battery. In this case, battery is good. And then at around 200,000 kilometers, the alternator would need to be checked. We're going to do an oil check as well. Check if all the glass says Toyota on it. If something doesn't, then it means that it has been replaced. Folding mirrors. A lot of options in this car. One final thing, quick, is to take a look here. Look at the CV boots right there. Make sure there are no tears on both ends, on driver and passenger side. Check for wear on the tire, inside versus outside, or if it's worn more on the center versus the outs. That would tell you if the tire was underinflated or if there was a misalignment, which could mean a suspension problem. I hope that this helps someone out there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.